BuzzCast is a live streaming and video chat app that claims you can earn real money by streaming and receiving virtual gifts from viewers. The concept is straightforward. Go live, entertain your audience, and get rewarded with digital gifts that can be converted into cash. It sounds exciting, but how does it actually work? So, from a functionality standpoint, BuzzCast is easy to use. You can start streaming right away without needing a large following, and the app gives you tools to interact with viewers, host casual chats, or perform themed streams. The more engaging you are, the more likely viewers will send gifts, and that's where potential earnings come in. But here's the reality. While it is possible to make money, it's not as effortless as the app makes it seem. You need to be consistent, build loyal viewers, and stand out among many other streamers. The platform also takes a noticeable cut of your earnings, so be wary of that. So what you receive is usually less than what viewers spend on you. On top of that, some users have reported slow withdrawals or needing to hit higher payout thresholds before cashing out. There's also the usual issue found in many social streaming apps. Not every profile is genuine, and you may occasionally come across suspicious or spamming accounts. Moderations could be better, so it's important to stay cautious. So, can you actually make money from Buzzcast? Yes, but think of it more of a side hustle than a guaranteed income. If you enjoy streaming and don't mind putting in effort to grow your audience, it can be fun and potentially rewarding. Just don't expect instant results or overnight payouts. But overall, Buzzcast is a real platform with real earning potentials, but success depends more on your consistency and charisma than on the app itself.